Hello, hello. Nandito kami ngayon sa Pulay Elementary School. Right there, Pulay. I love Pulay. We are doing Brigada Eskwela or School Brigade. So what we do, we help clean up the school before school starts. So mag-start ang school next week. So ito ang aming team. Ayan.
Relief Society President.
So ano, sinong mga nandito? Is this Relief Society lang na?
Wala yung primary.
Ay, pati primary, okay.
And then Relief Society ngayon. Bukas hopefully sana yung
Young women naman. Oh, ang galing naman. Yeah, so Villasis Ward is here to the rescue. Ayan, may mga primary, Relief Society sisters. Oh, ang gagaling naman tomorrow. Hopefully, mga youth naman ang tutulong. So, nakapaglinis na ngayon. Aros caldo time. Di ba?
amin ang bungad gabo sister. Atin ang
So, ito yung nilinisan namin. Yes, ito. This one right here. Welcome to Pulay Elementary School. So, ito yung nilinisan namin. We clean this area right here. Oh, di ba? I love Pulay. Okay, this is where I attended school when I was a young kid. So many memories here.